Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you how do you get to the clipboard on Android to manage your copied text easily. We will walk you through the settings and features of your keyboard. So now let's get started. Step 1, open your Gboard app by tapping on any text field or the app icon to bring up the keyboard on your screen. This is the primary tool used for typing on most Android devices and is where your clipboard settings are housed. Step 2, click on the clipboard option. Step 3, toggle the switch to turn on all options within the clipboard menu so that the app can start remembering your history. Enabling these features ensures that your copied items are saved for later use rather than being lost immediately. Step 4, navigate to any document or website and long press on any text you want to copy until the highlight tool appears. This action tells the system to send that specific information directly to your active clipboard for quick retrieval. Step 5, look at your Google keyboard again and find the clipboard icon where you can see your recently copied text stored in a list. Simply click on the specific text snippet you want to use and it will automatically paste into your current text field. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.